All right, guys, this is my review of the AceGIFT smartwatch. It says it's a military smartwatch for men, women, with all the smartwatch stuff. It does Bluetooth calling. It'll answer and dial calls. I'm sure you can also get messages on here. It does fitness tracking, so it's going to track your heart rate and all that stuff. These are getting pretty cool, and they're also coming down into when these work out well, these can be a great value, especially compared to the name brand companies that are putting out the higher end versions of these. These are something the average person can begin to be able to step into and get the benefit from. So we're gonna unbox this, and then we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna unbox it, and then I'm gonna hook it all up to my phone, and then we'll take a look at all the stats and all the different tracking things that it does. So first off, it comes in a very Apple-esque box. This is the top part of it. It kind of comes out just like this. Opens up. We've got the connectivity guide. We've got the manual. We've got the unit. That's the face. We've got the charger. Now, I'll just show you this right out of the gate. This is the way the charging works. And now I will tell you, I am unboxing it, but the one thing I did take out ahead of time is the face because I wanted to charge it first. So here's the way you charge it. On the back, you have these two little holes there. All you do is that just magnetizes to it, and then it's got a USB. So you just plug that into your computer or a USB port, or if you've got a computer with USB-C, you just do USB-C to USB adapter and then plug that in there. So that's super easy. Here's the box itself. It's a very Apple-esque box, very like high quality box. So usually what I notice is doing all these reviews, I've done hundreds and hundreds of reviews at this point, and what I notice, there's trends that start to stick out. One of the things that tends to stick out is when a company spends money on their boxing and it's higher quality boxing, I would say like 9.5 times out of 10, it's a fairly, at least good product, if not very high quality product. So that's what I've always found. Here's the band itself that it comes with. It seems like a pretty good band. It's definitely a very pliable rubber, or rubberish material. Could be like silicone. Let's see. Is there anything I want to talk about? So these are basically the two things. You've got the band, you have the face, and then you've got the charging cord. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put this all together, hook it all up to my phone, and then I'm going to show you how it looks going through all the heart rate stuff and everything. All right, guys. So we got the watch all linked up to the phone and put together. It automatically, like this, it's got a very cool face. We're going to just kind of scan through. I haven't even gone over everything. I wanted to go through it with you guys. So, you know, on the face, it shows the battery. It shows weather. Obviously, it shows Celsius right now. So I'm sure, and it shows kilometers. If you're in America like I am, I'm going to try to find in there how to switch it to, you know, miles and Fahrenheit. But that looks pretty cool. If you just... like here, we can adjust the brightness. You can actually find your phone, and you can hear. My phone is making noise, so you can find your phone with your watch. I think that's very cool. You can go into do not disturb mode. Let's see. So you can get text messages. The text messages are already on there. How funny is that? That's crazy, dude. They're already on there. And the watch vibrates when I get them. So that's pretty crazy, dude. Okay, you know what? Let's just go through all this. So on the app itself, what you do is it'll just walk you through. It's very simple. There's this app you download. It's called FitCloud Pro. And once you download it, it walks you through how to link it up to your watch. Now what I'm going to do is click measure all items, and it's going to measure all the stuff like, well, it's not going to measure sleep right now, obviously, but heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen levels, I think. So, wow, it's crazy. It's measuring it right now. How wild, dude. And you can set a goal for how many steps. Like I just put 10,000 in there. I think they recommend 8,000, so I just put in a little bit more than they recommend. Let's see. So yeah, you can see my heart rate's up there already. You can turn on, so I had it in vibrate mode. You can turn it on audio mode. It shows you how much sleep you get. The thing that's probably the coolest about it is the activity functions and the monitoring functions. Obviously it's cool that you can play music, you can make phone calls, you can get text messages, like just like you do on the Apple Watch or the Android watches. I mean, this thing is straight up for the number that it shows on the product page. This thing is really high quality. I mean, this is a very nice watch. And it's just fun to use. And it's very intuitive. Like you can see. So when you swipe up, it goes to this screen. When you swipe down, it goes to messages. When you swipe left, it brings you up it brings you up like a short screen that can take you to like activity, messages, shows you the weather there. And obviously you can swipe over to get like your heart rate stuff, how many steps you've done, audio mode, sleep mode. Let's see what else. So you can link your wallet. You can link like PayPal to it. So I'm looking through the app now. You can link PayPal to it. You can set up push notifications. You can set up alarms. So it's kind of cool. You can actually operate the watch from the app itself. And then, oh, okay. Did I switch the watch face? Oh, that's crazy. Look at that. You can switch the watch face. That's funny. Like there's just, you can set a reminder for drinking water. You can set a reminder to walk. Okay, dude, if you're in the office all day and you want to make sure you walk, but you get busy doing stuff, you can set a reminder. Just got a text message and it vibrated on my watch. Okay, here's all the watch. This is what I wanted to get to. Here's all the watch faces. Look at that, dude. You have tons of options. Okay, that is so cool. That is pretty cool, dude. What is Sport Push? Okay, this is where you can select different types of activities and it'll track everything you're doing. Like is the gym in here? I wonder. Yeah, like I would probably select like CrossFit because that's kind of what I do. Let's see. Wow, it's got a lot of stuff, dude. This is, I've seen a few of these smartwatches, and as far as like being not one of the name brands, like this is the best one I've used so far. What is that? Oh, raise to wake. Oh, you can set raise to wake up, so when you look at it, it turns on. Okay, and it did. It just did. That's crazy, dude. There you go. You can do automatic health monitoring, so you can monitor having it checking your heart rate and stuff a few times a day. And then I think when let's see if there's anything else to check through here. So let's go. Okay, here we go. So we got to everything here, right? You scroll right, scroll up, scroll down. You get to the messages, scroll right, you get to all that stuff. Now let's try this one, the bottom one. This is how you can select what you want to go to. You can go to contacts, call records, voice assistant, data, workout. And I'm sure you work out. When you work out, it's going to track it's going to track all your levels the entire time you're doing the workout. That's cool, right? Dude, straight up. Oh, here it goes. It's starting the workout. Okay. Crazy. So that's my review. My review of this is a pretty cool thing. Pretty cool, well built. It's got a very nice face. It's completely interchangeable the way it looks. There's everything you can set from your phone. My opinion of this is something worth getting. This is something worth getting. I hope, sometimes I make these reviews long just because I'm getting to know the product. I hope you were able to get to know this product in a way where you're like, you know what, that's for me, or it's not. I think people that are looking for a good value smartwatch, you probably can't find anything better than this right now.